Hi everyone. When you have to factorize a trinomial quadratic expression, multiply this third term by the first term. I get minus 12 x square. Try to find the factors of 12. What are the factors of 12? So you know that, right? 12 into 1, 6 into 2, 3 into 4. Those are the factors, right? Now we have to recognize which factor is the most suitable one out of all those ones, right? So this is the method to do that. Always when you get two factors, either add them or either subtract them. If you ever going to get this middle value, which is 4, that means those are your two factors. One such factor is 12 into 1, isn't it? 12 into 1. But when I add 12 and 1, it becomes 13. Or if I subtract 12 and 1, it becomes 11, which means since I don't have 13 or 11 here, these two cannot be our factors. 4 into 3 is 12, right? But the thing is, if I add 4 and 3, it becomes 7. If I subtract 3 from 4, it becomes 1. I don't have 7 or 1 in my middle term, which means these are not my factors. But if I consider 6 and 2, can you see when you subtract them, you get your middle value, which is 4? Which means these two are your factors. But we have to consider its signs as well. So since this x square, you can write it as 6x 2x. Now is the most important thing. So since it is a minus number, you just have to understand that for that answer to be minus, out of these two, one has to be plus and the other one has to be minus, right? Which one should be plus? Which one should be minus? To recognize that, you have to consider the sign of your middle term. The sign of the middle term was plus, which means out of these two, the large number needs to be plus, which is 6, and the other one should be minus. So instead of plus 4x, we can write plus 6x minus 2x, because plus 6x minus 2x gives you this value, minus 2x. Consider these two terms first. Now when you look at these two terms, you can see there is a common factor of h. So take that out, what remains is h plus 6. If you have h plus 6 here, remember h plus 6 needs to be here. So if I am to put h here, I have to take this minus 2 out, which means minus 2 should be here. You can check it. Minus 2 into h minus 2x, minus 2 into plus 6, minus 2x. So my two factors become, this is my common factor which is h plus 6, and the remaining factor is h minus 2. Alright?